Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to see who liked you on Bumble. Now if you are using the Bumble for the very first time, and if you are new to Bumble, then you may not be used to the app or interface, then you may want to know who has liked you on Bumble. Then you need to simply follow the steps shown in the video till the very end to know who has liked you on the Bumble. So let's get started. Now if you want to check who has liked you on Bumble, then you need to simply install the Bumble app on a device, as I've already installed the Bumble app. So after installing, make sure that you are connected to Wi-Fi or any kind of data on a device. So after that, you need to open Bumble on a device. So as you can see, this is the landing page of Bumble, where you will see various options on the bottom taskbar. Now here you'll see the option like profile, for you, people, liked you, and chats. Now if you want to see who has liked you on Bumble, so click on the option of liked you, and here you'll see the person or people who have liked you on Bumble. So you'll see the people who have liked you. Now the image may be blurry, and you may need to find the person who has liked you. So you may filter out and compare the background or image by yourself and go on people and swipe the person which you think is the perfect match for you. So if you have also bought a premium version of Bumble, then you may simply see it easily from this page. Now you may also verify yourself to get more match on Bumble. So that's it. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.